Now the question says Jason scored 245 points in the quiz. Carol scored 196 points in the quiz. That means to say Carol took the same quiz as Jason. How many fewer points did Carol score than Jason's? Firstly, let's draw the model for Jason, and we know that he has got 245 points. And after that, we draw the model of Carol because we know that Carol has 196 points. We draw the model of Carol shorter than Jason because 196 is smaller than 245. Then we're asked to find the difference, or rather, from here we know that we're asked to find how many points Carol scored lesser than Jason. So which is this unknown that we're going to find. In other words, we also know that Jason scored this number of points more than Carol. Take note of that. So to do that, we have to take 245, the longer model number, which is 245, subtract the shorter model 196. That will give you the difference here, the unknown. So let's perform the subtraction operations from the right to left as usual. On the right, we have 5 minus 6. 5 is too small, so we got to borrow to make it 15. Alright, so now we have 15 minus 6. That will give us 9. And then we move on to the next column. Now we have 3 minus 9, which is too small. So instead, we take, again, 1 from the neighbor to make it 13. So when 13 minus 9 will give us 4. And finally, we got the difference as being 49. So we know that Carol scored 49 fewer points than Jason's in this case. And that's the answer. Or in other words, another way of asking the question is how many points Jason scored more than Carol, which is 49 as well. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.